Queen mattress for only $3.99. Case closed.
Yeah, I got another one of these people. No housing lights or anything.
And your monthly fee is always capped.
There's not even a people there, really. It's just abandoned.
And forget it, worry-free.
New mattresses in Box Springs. Plus, get a hot buy Eurotop Queen mattress for only $3.99. Case closed. Sleep Country's prices are the real deal. Sleep Country. All grades of fuel when you swipe your Air Miles card until September 2nd. Visit shell.ca/savings for details. And now,
why are these people just stopping? I mean, that guy's obviously not crossing.
Commercial free.
Nice blinker behind me. You guys are not allowed to be parked there. It even says it's a loading zone. Well, you might as well go. You're not even in your lane. Oh, okay then.
Like I said, Marika, in the last break, I don't leave my house.
Yeah.
Please
Now
explain.
you're stopping really far back.
No, bush party was when you just went out.
Oh my god, you're an idiot.
That's a relief because
I see you can't plan ahead. There we go. Underground public parking. I bet you're gonna run the stop sign? Well, yeah, you did.
waiting to get on the plane to our new destination in Thailand for our honeymoon.
Oh, that's it. Oh, I am jealous.
We're gonna pop the champagne.
That is not legal.
Ooh, that's
was
awesome, you
definitely
guys.
not a
That was not a stop there.
I mean, scale 1 to 10. I'd say this conversation's like a 2.
The baby.
Oh, I was the worst. My parents say half the reason they have wrinkles today on their forehead.
Because of you?
But then my sister, who is younger than me,
Yeah.
was like
Wow.
a blessing.
What
really?
a
You think the
fucking
opposite?
douchebag.
I think they have some built-up aggression towards me. Serious accidents a few weeks back, and my nurse just gave me some sleepy time pills. Gonna enter nap zone and count some sheep.
There's no need to change lanes that aggressively. You're not getting anywhere.
Not exactly a lullaby.
Well, she's screaming at you.
She might scream at you. Maybe turn it down.
Oh my god. Wow.
When you're trying
Oh
not
my.
to this song.
Text Marika and Braden 56789. Join the conversation. Now radio.
Jesus Christ, there's so many idiots. Oh, you're an idiot. More point stoppers. Oh, and looks like something happened there too. What the fuck?
Edmonton Social Network. Now radio.
Is that guy getting roadhead? What the fuck? That blue car that was turning left. Nice stop. Okay. Oh my god, you're an idiot. Please, you could pull up a little bit, then you're allowed to park.
The rite of passage for
Not legal to the left. You've got a red light there, cyclist. And so do you. That's too close.
Follow us. We'll follow you home. Wait, that can't be right.
I don't know why you're practically stopping. Why are you stopping at a green light? There isn't enough room there. You're not even signaling. Oh wow, good planning ahead, Nova Scotia.
Turn right on 63 Avenue Northwest.
I guess you have a bit more of an excuse since you're not from here, but that's still pretty fun. Oh, dumbass. Nice blinker. Why are you stopping? What the hell are you doing? Okay guys, could just walk single file. That's not a crosswalk, guy. You were also crossing against the green light, both of you. Oh, we've got that lady to the left as well.
Truly counts. I've performed over 100,000 LASIK surgeries throughout my career, and I myself have had the procedure. So I say with confidence,
Is that
on
the
behalf
mirror
of
truck
the
again?
entire
Yes,
team
it
here
is.
at King LASIK, that when you're ready to free yourself from glasses and
Why are these people just stopping? I mean, that guy's obviously not crossing.
Commercial free. The now promise.
Oh my gosh.